Reese Witherspoon channels boss energy in a bright blue suit and Louboutin Bird Beak heels to promote You Are Cordially Invited movie on GMA. Reese Witherspoon took to the New York City streets in striking Christian Louboutin pumps on January 29 to promote her new movie You Are Cordially Invited, which also stars Will Ferrell. She opted for a pair of the Condora Riviera pumps, which has pointed to like a bird's beak and were recently worn by Keke Palmer in a patent leather red. This luxurious pumps handcrafted in Italy from soft velvety suede are a statement piece featuring the iconic Louboutin red sole. The design incorporates a unique inverted setback of heel for a touch of elegance and a quarter strap that adds a subtle element of support. The shoe's silhouette is further defined by a sleek pointy toe, promising a sophisticated look. The adjustable ankle strap, complete with a buckle closer, ensures a comfortable and personalized fit. With a 1 over 4-inch heel, this pumps offer a boost in height while maintaining a walkable and balanced feel. The combination of high quality materials, expert craftsmanship, and thoughtful design details make these shoes a perfect blend of style and comfort. In a chic and sophisticated ensemble, the actress and producer paired classic tan pumps with a tailored light blue suit, adding a touch of warmth and elegance with a stylish tan coat layered over the suit. The combination of the light blue suit and the tan coat created a visually appealing contrast, while the tan pumps complemented the overall look. Reese Witherspoon favors several luxury footwear brands including Manolo Blahnik, Gianvito Rossi, and Santoni. She also occasionally wears shoes from her own brand, Draper James, when she is not wearing dress shoes. Reese Witherspoon opts for sneakers from brands like Hoka 11, Vija, Triton, and Autry. The Big Little Lies star has been out and about promoting You Are Cordially Invited, featuring Will Ferrell. The plot, two destination weddings are double booked at a remote resort, leading to chaos and disaster as both parties attempt to share the venue on Tuesday. We found the mummy Mughal in a pair of eye-catching Carolina Herrera slingback T-strap heels. Reese Witherspoon's best shoe moments over the years. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.